Building with Papa. Okay. They're having, this unit is icing up on them inside and all the way out to this outside unit. The coils outside need to be cleaned. Let's get started. Okay, first thing you have to do is remove the disconnect before you work on the unit. Alright, we need to remove the cover. There's a lot of these little screws all the way around. Work your way around this unit here. We need to remove this top piece first. And then you'll see this electrical box. Just remove it. It all stays connected. You're just going to lean it over to the side. Okay? Once you move this piece over to the side, then work your way around the top and remove the cover. The fan on this unit is attached to this cover. So you're just going to lift it up and you're going to move it over and carefully lay it down. Don't mess up the wires. You don't want to damage anything. Alright, once you get all the screws out and you remove this top and you lay it to the side, then the rest of this unit is actually one piece. So you go around the bottom and unscrew this piece, and then the whole thing lifts off. It's pretty easy, but some of these screws are tough to get to. You see this little device we're using because we can't get the gun behind there. I'll put that in the description. It really works nice when it's hard to get to some of the screws. Okay, just go through, get the screws out. You see the hurricane clips are there also. You're going to have to get those clips out, or the screws out of the clips, and then you'll be able to remove this whole cover. It's three-sided, and there are actually a couple small screws on the very end. Don't forget to take them out or the cover won't come off. Alright, while he's doing this, I'm mixing up some solution that I picked up. It's air conditioning coil acid, light acid. Man, these coils are caked. Alright, well, they're having cooling issues in the house, and I've already started to try to remove this off the back. Okay, but these coils are really bad. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use a coil cleaning solution. I'll show you how to do it. And then you have to dilute it. With this dirty, it's 4-to-1. And you have to apply it, wait 10 minutes, and then hose it down. All right, let's get started. This solution, you have to get it in an AC supply store, so you'll need someone to pick it up. Okay, I sprayed the whole unit. We're waiting 10 minutes, and now I'm gonna rinse it off. Continue this process all the way around, and then you may have to do it a second time. This one was really dirty.
Hey. 'Cause Daddy will get slightly burned. 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 Daddy will get s
Oh yeah. Look how nice and clean it's getting. Look at that, big difference. Okay, we've got it clean, but I sprayed it one more time. We're gonna let it sit 5 minutes, and then we're gonna clean it again, because this was heavily dirty. Look how nice and clean that is. Man. We did a full time on the whole thing, and we just sprayed it, let it sit for 5 minutes for the second time. And this is coming out awesome.
You should have seen how dirty this was.
Yes. They didn't have it sitting all the way down.
You're right, you're right.
What'd you say?
You're right.
Okay.
Is that on camera?
That's a nice little device. And you can buy that in the description. I love that little tool. Oh, it did that time. Okay. Put the disconnect in. Everything's on, right? And if it's off, leave it off, then put the disconnect in, and then...
Just the fan's on.
Okay. All right, now the coils are all clean. I'm gonna let it run about 10 minutes and then check and see how everything's cool.